May 2023 Weekly Current Affairs Bitbank. What percentage of decline in malaria cases did India register from 2015 to 2022? Answer: 85%. Where was the first Millets Experience Center, MEC, launched by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and NAFT? Answer: New Delhi. In which state the Heritage Festival 2023 has started? Answer: Goa. Whose state's Swagat initiative has completed 20 years recently? Answer: Gujarat. Where was India's first cable-stayed rail bridge, Anji Khad Bridge, installed? Answer: Jammu and Kashmir. Which country unveiled its Indo-Pacific Outlook, IPO, including 4 guiding principles and 15 objectives recently? Answer: Bangladesh. Which country has organized the Astana International Forum? Answer: Kazakhstan. In which city India will host the 23rd edition of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization (SCO) Summit on July 3rd to 4th, 2023? Answer: New Delhi. From which year India will be joining International Climate Action in Civil Aviation? Answer: 2027. Which company became the 6th largest company in India, replacing Infosys? Answer: ITC Limited. What is the current inflation rate in India as of April 2023? Answer: 5.66%. What is the turnover limit for businesses to be subject to new GST regulations? Answer: 100 crore. In which country did Visa launch CVV-free payments for tokenized cards? Answer: India. Which institute has launched a cyber security skills program? Answer: IIT Kanpur. Which country has launched the GigaChat AI chatbot, a rival to ChatGPT? Answer: Russia. In which state 3 new wildlife conservation reserves were declared? Answer: Rajasthan. Who took oath as the 22nd President of Bangladesh recently? Answer: MD Sahabuddin. Who has been appointed as Chairman of LIC? Answer: Siddhartha Mohanty. Which country elected Santiago Peña as its new president? Answer: Paraguay. On which date International Jazz Day 2023 was celebrated? Answer: 30th April. When is Ayushman Bharat Divas celebrated every year? Answer: 30th April. On which date Maharashtra Day was celebrated every year? Answer: 1st May. On which date World Tuna Day 2023 was observed? Answer: 2nd May. Which metro system has been awarded the Global Silver Award in the carbon reduction category under the Green World Awards 2023 recently? Answer: Chennai Metro. Which country slipped to the 161st rank out of 180 nations in the World Press Freedom Index 2023? Answer: India.